This is a teardown of an Ingenico Lane 3000 series credit card terminal. And gotta remove some screws from the bottom here to get inside. It's a mixture of Phillips and Torx. I suspect these are T8. Yep. Alright, looks like with this screw out, this slides forwards. And in this housing, just a little breakout board. Probably make more sense than a flathead. We're gonna get these electric screws out before I switch bits. There's some more stuff hidden deep down in there, basically, screw-wise. Not sure why they make different modules. Probably for connectivity purposes, I suppose. Alright. Crack this open here real quick. I think it's basically just a breakout board. This is a little micro SD card slot. And then just some gold pins that are, oops, doing something, I don't know what. Is this? I think that might be for, no. I don't know what those little pins do. They weren't exposed, so maybe it's a programming thing. Anywho, open the case, just split it open here. Easy to get to. Giant clock battery there. Nothing holding this in other than those screws. Definitely makes it nice to get into. Although there doesn't appear to be anything user serviceable on this board. Gotta screw holding the buttons in. Oops, need my T8 pack. Not going to be too much on the top here, just a screen and coil for the tap to pay. A little number pad assembly. Alright, let's see here. I think this just snaps apart. Scratch resistant. I find that hard to believe. Yeah, we got a coil here for the tap to pay from the looks of it. Not sure. Thought this was the tap to pay coil, but then we got this fancy looking thing here with presumably impedance matched traces, which is why they're all wiggly and stuff like that. Also could be an antenna. Oh, well, it was connected to something. Oh, disconnected when I did that. Alright, yeah, I think this is the tap to pay coil that I'm unwinding here. Oops. Being a klutz. Here's the display. A bit of shielding there. Nice thick piece of metal. Unfortunately, that means nothing to me. But if you want to know what the display is, now you know. Doesn't appear to be anything particularly useful marking wise. Got the card swipe module here on the side, just your little tape head looking thing. Alright, let's see here. That's soldered on. Top side of the board, this little buzzer. And then looks like some miscellaneous power delivery stuff. If I can get that to focus. Oh, is that the only chip? There's probably something under the shielding here. See if I can pop that off. I might need an actual screwdriver. Switch bits. Ouch. Ooh. Here's all the good stuff. Got a Winbond chip there. Spansion chip. Winbond chip almost looks like memory, but I don't know. Spansion chip's more than likely the boot storage. And then a custom Ingenico chip, which is probably the main processor. Oops, don't scratch the chip. Oh, another weird little chip there. Hopefully that's readable. Otherwise, I don't really see anything else of interest here. Card edge connector for the external port. But yeah, otherwise, that's all there really is to see. So hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.